Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this light effect on your own smartphone. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's tutorial. So the first thing that you have to do now is that if you check your Google Play Store, you will search for a app called Pixellab there. So download it, or if you want to get the pro, check my first video on this channel and download it. So guys, I will walk through the step that I make that. So open your Pixellab Pro app, and this is how the Pixellab. Click on this plus here and click from gallery. So after you are in your gallery, load the image. I will also drop this image in the description for you guys, so just resize this image to 100. So after you resize it, just come to this here up here and lock it. So don't forget to delete the default. After you have successfully locked it, you cannot move it anymore. So come to this plus button again and click on test. So after you click on test, let's go for a text. For example, let's use oxygen in capital letter. So after your oxygen is in capital letter, just come to this color, leave it in white already. It is in white already. Just come to this stroke, shadow, inner shadow, the 3. So this is what we are just going to do now. Just click on the first stroke, turn it on and increase it to 5. Give it this color and come to this shadow, turn it on. You have automatically 110 00. You don't need that. Just give it this color and go back. So come to this inner, turn it on, increase this to 5 and give it this also. So come back to this font over here and come to this. We are using this font as our font, this blogger sample. Just click on that blogger samples bold and you are done. Resize it and come back to your position is at your middle. So I think the padding is too much. You can see. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Like this video, share and comment, and turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back one more time, I really appreciate. So see you guys in my next tutorial again. Peace out. You are welcome.